In these changing times, you have emerged as our superheroes. With great power comes great responsibility. And for you to remain our superheroes, not only for today, but in the future too, we at HDFC Bank bring to you a unique superpower that will boost your business. Introducing HDFC Bank's SmartHub app, a one-stop solution to collect money from anyone, anywhere, via any app or mode. With this superpower, you can enjoy 12 industry-best wonders. You can collect payments in-store or remotely via any mode, any app or any bank card. Set up your own account and start accepting payments in just 15 minutes. Customize the app as per your preferred language. Create product catalog and share it with QR code via WhatsApp, SMS and email. Enjoy exclusive privileges on HDFC Bank loans and cards. Monitor and reconcile all in-store and remote payments instantly through the app and manage your business more effectively. Maintain your customers' khata digitally in one place with this app. Reach out to your customers with offers via email, SMS and WhatsApp. Monitor inventory levels. Set reminders and e-order stock from your suppliers on time. Take your store online with customers placing orders online. Also get the power to get all your vendor payments done. Create customized invoices and make GST payments from a single app. You can extend credit to over 17 million HDFC Bank customers with flexible tenure ranging from 15 days to 3 months. One-click service requests for in-store QR display, payment reports and paper rolls for POS. Enjoy the superpower of HDFC Bank's SmartHub and boost your business today and tomorrow.